Luxury cars usually mean big repair bills and endless trips to the mechanic, but not these. Today, we're looking at 12 luxury cars so reliable they never even needed a warranty. These are the cars that give you comfort, status, and durability without draining your wallet. Acura RLX, 2014 to 2020. The Acura RLX is one of the most underrated luxury sedans of the last decade. Built between 2014 and 2020, it was Honda's flagship under the Acura badge, and it carried everything people loved about Honda reliability, but dressed up in full luxury. Under the hood, it came with a 3.5-liter V6 that is nearly bulletproof. Owners praise it for being smooth, quiet, and incredibly low maintenance compared to its German rivals. What makes the RLX stand out is that it delivered features like advanced safety tech, a spacious interior, and premium materials, but without the expensive headaches. While a used Mercedes or BMW of the same era can empty your wallet, the RLX is the kind of car you just service on schedule and keep driving for years. It never sold in huge numbers, which makes it rare, but for people who bought one, it became a keeper. The Acura RLX proves that luxury doesn't have to come with massive repair bills, and that's why it deserves a spot on this list. Infiniti Q50, 2014 to 2020. The Infiniti Q50, built from 2014 to 2020, is proof that you don't need a German badge to enjoy true luxury. Infiniti designed the Q50 to compete directly with the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class. But here's the difference. It didn't come with the same expensive repair nightmares. The Q50 was powered by reliable V6 engines, including the legendary 3.7-liter VQ motor, which is known for running hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. It offered sharp handling, a luxurious interior, and loads of tech features. But unlike its German rivals, maintenance costs stayed much more reasonable. Owners love that the Q50 combines sporty performance with long-term dependability. You don't see them breaking down on the side of the road. Instead, you see them still running strong even after years of daily driving. And that's exactly why the Q50 outsmarts so many modern luxury sedans. It delivers performance and prestige without putting you in debt. Hyundai Equus, 2011 to 2016. The Hyundai Equus might not be the first car that comes to mind when you think of luxury, but during its production from 2011 to 2016, it shocked the market. Hyundai wanted to prove it could go head-to-head with Mercedes and Lexus, and it worked. The Equus came loaded with features you'd expect in a flagship sedan: plush leather, advanced tech, and a quiet, comfortable ride. But what really made it special was its reliability. While a Mercedes S-Class of the same era might rack up huge repair bills, the Equus shared a lot of its dependable engineering with other proven Hyundai models. The 5.0-liter V8 under the hood is durable and smooth, and the car itself is known for needing little more than routine maintenance. Because it wasn't a sales giant, the Equus is now a hidden gem in the used car market. Buyers get a full-size luxury sedan with all the comfort, but without the costly headaches. That's why the Equus earns its place here. It's a luxury car that never needed a warranty. Lexus S350, 2013 to 2018. The Lexus S350 is one of the most successful luxury sedans of the past 2 decades, and the 2013 to 2018 generation shows exactly why. Built on Toyota's ultra-reliable platform, the ES350 blends comfort, refinement, and bulletproof dependability in a way few other luxury cars can match. Under the hood sits a 3.5-liter V6 engine that has been proven to run well past 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. While German sedans of the same era are notorious for expensive electrical and transmission issues, the ES350 stays rock solid. Owners constantly highlight how quiet, smooth, and effortless this car feels. Yet at the same time, it doesn't leave them with surprise repair bills. This generation came loaded with features: plush leather seats, advanced safety systems, and a whisper-quiet ride that feels like a true luxury car. But unlike so many rivals, you don't need a warranty to keep it on the road. The ES350 delivers everything buyers want from a luxury sedan: reliability, elegance, and value. And that's why it's one of the smartest luxury cars you can own. Buick LaCrosse, 2010 to 2019. The Buick LaCrosse is one of those cars that never really shouted for attention, but quietly proved itself as one of the smartest luxury buys of its era. Produced from 2010 through 2019, the LaCrosse showed that you could have comfort, luxury, and dependability all in one package, without the repair bills that usually come with a luxury badge. During this run, Buick released two generations. The 2010 to 2016 models carried a more traditional look, while the 2017 to 2019 facelift introduced a sleeker, modern design. No matter which version you choose, the reputation stayed the same: reliable powertrains, smooth ride quality, and easy ownership. Under the hood, the LaCrosse typically came with GM's well-proven 3.6-liter V6 engine. This motor is known for being smooth, powerful enough for highway cruising, and capable of clocking over 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Many owners reported that aside from regular oil changes, brakes, and tires, their LaCrosse barely asked for anything. That's a huge contrast compared to something like an Audi A6 or BMW 5 Series of the same era, where electrical issues and expensive repairs are almost expected after the warranty period. But it's not just about reliability. The LaCrosse offered a genuinely luxurious experience on the inside. Step into one, and you'll find soft-touch materials, leather seating, and a cabin designed to be whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Buick heavily focused on noise reduction, making this one of the smoothest and most relaxing rides in its class. Passengers loved how refined it felt, and drivers appreciated that it delivered comfort day after day. Another reason the LaCrosse outsmarts modern vehicles is simplicity. While many competitors loaded their cars with overly complex systems that age poorly, the LaCrosse kept its technology straightforward. That meant fewer things to break, fewer costly repairs, and a car that could keep running for years without losing its charm. On the used market today, the LaCrosse is often overlooked. Buyers tend to chase German names like BMW or Mercedes, but those choices often come with steep maintenance costs. Meanwhile, a well-kept LaCrosse gives you nearly the same level of comfort, smoother reliability, and a much lower cost of ownership. It's the kind of car you can buy confidently, knowing it won't surprise you with massive bills a year later. In short, the Buick LaCrosse is the definition of smart luxury. It may not be flashy, but it delivers everything you'd expect from a premium sedan: comfort, refinement, and dependability. And the best part? It does it without draining your wallet. That's why the LaCrosse firmly belongs on this list of luxury cars that never needed a warranty. Lincoln Continental, 2017 to 2020. The Lincoln Continental is a name that carries serious weight in American automotive history. Lincoln first introduced it way back in the 1930s, and for decades it was seen as the ultimate American luxury sedan, the kind of car that politicians, executives, and celebrities rode in. After a long break, Lincoln revived the Continental name in 2017, and while production only lasted until 2020, this modern version proved that American luxury could be comfortable, reliable, and refined without being overcomplicated. What set the 2017 to 2020 Continental apart was its focus on pure comfort. Lincoln engineers designed it to be a true luxury cruiser, with wide, supportive seats, thick sound insulation, and one of the smoothest rides in its class. Unlike German rivals that stiffened suspensions for sportiness, the Continental stayed true to its roots: effortless highway driving that felt like floating on air. Inside, buyers were greeted with high-quality materials, clever technology, and available features like 30-way adjustable seats, something almost no other car in the world offered at the time. But what really makes the Continental stand out for this list is its dependability. Under the hood, it came with strong V6 engine options that had already proven themselves across Ford and Lincoln's lineup. These engines were smooth, powerful, and far less troublesome than the turbocharged or overly complicated powertrains found in many luxury competitors. Owners praised how little went wrong with their Continentals, often reporting that aside from regular service, the cars just kept running like new. On the used market today, the Continental is an incredible value. Because it didn't sell in massive numbers, it feels rare and special, but prices remain affordable compared to rivals like the Mercedes S-Class or BMW 7 Series. And the best part? You won't spend thousands keeping it on the road. Lincoln designed it to be both luxurious and manageable, making it one of the smartest buys in the luxury world. In many ways, The 2017 to 2020 Continental was the last of its kind. A big, comfortable American sedan built to be enjoyed for years without the fear of constant repairs. It carried the Continental legacy into the modern age, and did it with quiet confidence. That's exactly why it deserves a spot on this list of luxury cars that never needed a warranty. Chrysler 300C, 2011 to 2019. The Chrysler 300C is one of the most recognizable American luxury sedans of the last decade. Produced between 2011 and 2019, it carried that bold, muscular design that made it stand out anywhere. Your 2016 300 CAWD with the panoramic roof and navigation fits perfectly into this generation. What makes the 300C special is how it blends presence, comfort, and durability. Under the hood, it came with Chrysler's reliable Pentastar V6 or the powerful Hemi V8, both known for going the distance when properly maintained. Paired with an 8-speed automatic, it delivered smooth performance and strong highway cruising ability. Inside, the 300C offered modern luxury: leather seating, premium sound, and advanced tech like navigation and a panoramic roof. It gave drivers the feeling of a true premium sedan, but without the extreme repair costs seen in many European rivals. Even years later, the 300C remains popular on the used market because it still feels solid, comfortable, and dependable. It's a luxury car that proves you can have style, performance, and reliability all in one, without draining your wallet. Cadillac XTS, 2013 to 2019. The Cadillac XTS was built between 2013 and 2019 as a full-size luxury sedan that focused on comfort, refinement, and everyday dependability. It replaced the older DTS and quickly became a favorite among buyers who wanted American luxury without the constant stress of repairs. Under the hood, the XTS came with a proven 3.6-liter V6 engine, one of GM's most reliable power plants. Smooth, strong, and capable of high mileage with routine service, it made the XTS a car you could trust for long road trips or daily commuting. For those who wanted more power, Cadillac even offered a twin-turbo V6, giving the car impressive performance while still staying manageable in terms of maintenance. Inside, the XTS delivered exactly what Cadillac has always promised: big, comfortable seats, a quiet ride, and advanced features like a modern infotainment system and safety technology. Owners loved that it felt luxurious but wasn't overly complicated, meaning fewer things to break and lower long-term costs. On the used market, the XTS stands out as one of the smarter luxury buys. While rivals like the BMW 7 Series or Audi A8 can bury you in repair bills, the Cadillac XTS offers smooth American luxury with far fewer headaches. It's a sedan built to be enjoyed, not constantly repaired, and that's why it belongs on this list. Toyota Avalon, 2013 to 2018. The 2013 Toyota Avalon Hybrid is proof that luxury doesn't always have to come with high costs. Redesigned for this generation, the Avalon combined Toyota's bulletproof reliability with a full-size sedan's comfort and presence. The hybrid model added incredible fuel efficiency to the mix, making it a smart luxury buy all around. What makes the Avalon special is that it shares much of its engineering with Lexus models, but without the Lexus price tag. Owners get the same quiet ride, roomy interior, and premium features: leather seating, advanced infotainment, and excellent safety ratings. Yet they avoid the high repair bills that come with many other luxury sedans. The hybrid powertrain is one of Toyota's most dependable systems, known for lasting well over 200,000 miles without major issues. Combined with low running costs and exceptional comfort, the Avalon quickly earned a reputation as one of the most reliable large sedans of its time. On the used market, the Avalon Hybrid is a hidden gem. Buyers enjoy Lexus-level refinement, top-tier Toyota reliability, and the bonus of outstanding fuel economy. For anyone wanting a luxury sedan that's practical, dependable, and affordable to own, the Avalon is hard to beat. Lincoln MKZ, 2013 to 2020. The Lincoln MKZ Hybrid, especially the 2015 White Platinum model, shows how American luxury can blend elegance with smart efficiency. Built from 2013 to 2020, this generation MKZ offered a sleek, modern design and a refined cabin filled with upscale features. The hybrid powertrain, shared with Ford's proven system, made the MKZ one of the most fuel-efficient luxury sedans of its time, capable of excellent mileage while still delivering a quiet, smooth ride. More importantly, it's reliable. Owners often report that the hybrid system is simple, durable, and worry-free compared to the complex setups used by European competitors. Inside, the MKZ provided premium touches, leather seating, advanced infotainment, and a calm, comfortable ride. On the road, it felt confident and composed, but what really won people over was the ownership experience. While rivals from BMW or Mercedes can drain your wallet, the MKZ simply gets the job done without constant repairs. Today, the 2015 MKZ Hybrid stands out as a smart used luxury buy. It combines sharp styling, impressive efficiency, and Lincoln comfort, all without the high costs. It's proof that sometimes the smartest luxury car is the one that doesn't ask for much in return. Cadillac CTS, 2014 to 2019. The Cadillac CTS, built from 2014 to 2019, proved that American luxury could go toe-to-toe with Europe's best, but without the endless repair bills. This generation gave the CTS a sharp, athletic design and a refined cabin that stood out in the mid-size luxury segment. Under the hood, it came with dependable 4-cylinder and V6 options, along with a powerful V-Sport twin-turbo for enthusiasts. What makes the CTS different from rivals like the BMW 5 Series or Audi A6 is that it doesn't punish you with constant maintenance headaches. Owners consistently praised its reliability and lower running costs compared to its German competition. Inside, the CTS delivered on luxury, leather seating, premium audio, and advanced safety and infotainment systems. It was comfortable enough for long trips yet sporty enough to satisfy drivers who wanted excitement behind the wheel. Most importantly, it managed to balance performance with durability, making it a smarter choice than many of its more expensive rivals. On the used market today, the Cadillac CTS is a hidden gem. Buyers get style, comfort, and reliability in one package. It's a luxury car that feels premium but doesn't empty your wallet, exactly why it deserves to be on this list. Acura TLX, 2015 to 2020. The Acura TLX, especially the 2023.5-liter A-spec model, is one of the best examples of a modern luxury sedan that doesn't punish its owner with endless repair bills. Built between 2015 and 2020, the TLX carried Acura's reputation for reliability, while adding sharp styling and premium features that appealed to both luxury and sport sedan buyers. The 3.5-liter V6 is one of Honda's most proven engines, smooth, powerful, and capable of racking up hundreds of thousands of miles with little more than basic maintenance. Paired with Acura's precision all-wheel steering and available super-handling all-wheel drive, the TLX delivered an engaging drive that rivaled European sedans, but with far fewer headaches. Inside, the A-spec trim brought sport-inspired touches like bolstered leather seats, upgraded tech, and a premium audio system, while still offering the quiet, comfortable ride Acura is known for. Owners love that it feels premium without being fragile. Unlike many luxury cars that can drain your bank account after the warranty expires, the TLX is built to last. As a used buy, the TLX is one of the smartest luxury sedans on the market. It blends Honda reliability, Acura refinement, and sporty character into one package, proving that not all luxury cars have to be a gamble. The 2020 TLX A-Spec is the perfect example of luxury done right.